Hello, this will be an instruction guide for assembling the 3D printed smoke grenade from the last video. This can be useful if you've printed it and want to use a smoke mixture based on ammonium nitrate. Assembling the grenade with this mixture is different from the instructions posted in the Telegram channel. Here, I'll only cover the steps that are different. This is because the ammonium nitrate mixture is very different from typical smoke mixtures. First, it's very slow and doesn't require any delay, so I didn't use a delay fuse at all. Second, it's quite weak, and to make it even slightly usable, it needs to be ignited from the inside. In my first videos on these mixtures, I used a sparkler for ignition, but further experiments revealed that a very thick black match is enough for this purpose. So here are two ammonium nitrate based mixtures. They are very similar, both containing wood shavings and motor oil. The red mixture contains the red smoke dye, solvent red 111, and produces red smoke. The video for their preparation is on the channel. Both mixtures are quite weak. I estimate they are 3 to 5 times weaker than the military grade mixture based on terephthalic acid. I will soon obtain terephthalic acid and conduct a comparison. They are very difficult to ignite, and to make them smoke faster, I ignite them from the inside with a thick black match. The thick fuse is made from a bundle of thick threads and black powder. It's desirable to add 5% dextrin to the powder for more strength, but this is optional. Then water is added to the powder until it forms a paste. Next, you need to soak the threads with this paste and let them dry. To help the fuse catch the flame better, you should dip its tip into water and then immediately into dry black powder. This primes it. You can also do this using a solution of nitrocellulose in acetone or ethyl acetate. After drying, the fuses are ready. The fuse should be placed in the center and the smoke mixture should be packed around it. Next, I place some cotton and close it with the lid. You should see the tip of the fuse in the hole. Now, for the igniter. For the igniter, I use the exact same fuse but made from a single thread. It doesn't provide any delay. It burns almost instantly and transfers the flame to the inside. Before installing the toy pistol cap, you need to pour some black powder or match head powder inside. Here's the assembled grenade. I've already posted a video of it working with these smoke mixtures. Follow the link in the description to watch it.